brought me out today is I like the First Texas homes.
I'm a big believer of First Texas homes. I actually have a First Texas home.
I came out just to see this new house they just built and just see what's all going on.
See the lots and the specs.
The lots, the location.
The new opening of the Grayhawk subdivision in Forney.
One of the things that set them apart is they're easy to work with.
They incorporate a really robust, fully automated home.
They have very nice homes.
Their floor plans are real open.
Love all the flooring, all the unique tile, and
They will do any sort of add-on square footage for just $65 per square foot.
the home sells itself with all the amenities it has.